Morning, Charles. Morning, everybody. No, a little bit of a surprise, though, to turn up here behind him.
Shouts of catch. Always going down there, and the first boundary collected by South Africa, albeit off a streaky edge. There's an impressive opening over from Finch. 1 gone, 5 without loss.
Well, the most impressive thing about that opening over was the line, really.
Pulled away, should be 4. Just slightly the wrong line from Plum. Neatly put away.
Yeah, this ball just seemed to sit up. In fact, Bird was expecting it to come on a little bit quicker than that. That's why he mistimed it. Got it off the bottom edge of the bat, but it's still...
Pulled away, should be 4. Just slightly the wrong line from Plum. Neatly put away.
Yeah, this ball just seemed to sit up. In fact, Bird was expecting it to come on a little bit quicker than that. That's why he mistimed it. Got it off the bottom edge of the bat, but it's still...
Well, that adds an insult to injury, doesn't it? Ball's moving around. They've gone for a more conservative look, so 2 overs gone. South Africa going nicely, 18 without loss.
Yeah, 18 for none from 2 overs, and virtually all of them have been off one edge or the other of the bat. And I think those were good points to be made.
Nicely played. First legitimate boundary, I think we can call that. Rather than getting one off either edge of the bat, this one's come out of the middle. Bird moves to 20.
Yeah, 20 from 5 boundaries from varying parts of the blade of Jonathan Bird. That's a really nice stroke. Controlled, no flourish in terms of the follow-through.
Beautiful shot. Another boundary for Bird. He's dealing exclusively in 4s, his 6th.
Save the legs. Absolute beauty, this. Long half volley, yes. But execution of the straight drive, pretty much perfect.
I've seen a few of them already today. That angle just going across. Just follows it, really, gets a thick outside edge.
Yeah, it's always the challenge as a left-hander when the ball's going across you and there is a bit of movement, to try and play it as late as possible. Let the ball do its swinging.
Oh, that's a lovely shot. Straight down the ground. Really well played.
This is a very simple looking shot, but it shouldn't be underestimated. Slightly over pitching. He's taken the option of taking him on.
Well, we've seen that a few times. That is such good batting. You miss your length by just a fraction on the full side, and he does that to you.
Another brilliant shot from Bird here, down the ground. Obvious game plan for him. Anything slightly full, going to hammer back down the ground over the bowler's head.
Well, 50 on debut for Jonathan Bird. Really well played. Some brilliant shots down the ground. South Africa have done well. They've flown him in for the one-day series, and he has looked a class apart.
Shit.
Good run. Kimber was